All right, you already know what it is. Back again. You already know what time it is. So we're gonna get Diddy jacked, right? Because he's going to the bin soon, and he's gonna need a workout plan while he's locked up. All right, let's just put this in presentation mode. All right, here we go. Full disclaimer: no baby oil was used in the making of this video, and I feel like before I get into this video, I gotta say no Diddy. Just for the sake of, just for the sake of it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so what's the game plan for our boy P Diddy? So the game plan we're gonna make for him is, so first off, on his police arrest, sitting at 5'10", others say 6'1", so we're just gonna go somewhere in the middle. He's about 5'11", right? Based on that, he weighs 200 pounds. He's got a dad bod, and based on his arms don't look too bad. He's already got a solid foundation. He pretty much, he's got a solid foundation. He's a mesomorph. He's a mesoendomorph. And he looks like an athlete that just fell off, like based on just the way his arms look. And you can already see too, he's got some nice chest development a little bit too. He just looks like one of those athletes that after they like got injured after a sport, they just stopped playing, and then they just ended up like gaining like excess weight. So like honestly, he just has to shave off the weight, and he could look like an absolute nightmare, right? You know what I'm saying? He's got to protect himself in the bin. You know what I'm saying? Because if you drop that soap, I ain't gotta say too much. I ain't gotta say too much more. I gotta say too much more. But yeah, based on his height and weight, right? You can go into Google, find a calculator, calculate how much he needs to lose weight. Because obviously he's gonna need a caloric deficit, which is he's gonna have to eat below his maintenance calories in order to lose the weight, so that he can shed off the fat. So we're gonna put him on a calorie deficit of 2,000 calories, and we're gonna put him on upper lower split. All right. By the way, if you want to work with me personally to reach your fitness goals, book a call with me to see if it makes sense to work together. Back to regular programming, we're gonna get right into his nutrition. So we got breakfast. He's got scrambled eggs, 3 eggs scrambled with spinach, diced tomatoes, and then we got one slice with thin spread avocado. Then we got 1 cup of black coffee or herbal tea. For a snack, we got Greek yogurt, 1 cup unsweetened, topped with a handful of mixed berries and sprinkled chia seeds. And then we got we got a grilled chicken sandwich, 46 ounces of chicken breast. All right. And then for his lunch, we got grilled chicken salad, 46 ounces of grilled chicken breast. Excuse me. We got mixed greens, spinach, arugula, and romaine. And then we got cherry, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, dressing. We got olive oil and balsamic vinegar. And then we got sliced apple, 1 medium apple with 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond butter. And then for dinner, we got lean beef steak. We got 4 ounces of, yeah, lean beef steak, 46 ounces, or grilled chicken. We got cauliflower mash made with steamed cauliflower and topped with butter, roasted Brussels sprouts, and for a snack, if needed, a handful of nuts. Pause, unsalted, no Diddy, of course. And we got his weekly workout routine. So his weekly workout routine, we got upper body, day one. So we got warm up, 5 to 10 minutes of Stairmaster, bench press, three sets of 8 to 10 reps, bent over rows, pause, 3 sets gotta say no Diddy, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, shoulder press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, pull-ups or lat pull downs. And then we got dumbbell chest flies, three sets, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, tricep dips, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, and then bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So this is going to be for day one, upper body day, and he will perform these workouts 1 to 8 in chronological order. And then we got his lower day two. We got day two, so that would be assuming he starts on a Monday. Then Tuesday, we got a warm up, 10 minutes. I would say 5 to 10 minutes of Stairmaster. I like to go 10. We got squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10. And then we got deadlifts, conventional or Romanian, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Then we got leg press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps each leg. And then we got leg curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Calf raises, 3 sets of 12 to 10 reps. And then we got a core workout at the end, Russian planks, Russian twists, 3 sets of 30 seconds or 15 to 10 reps. Right. And then we go to day 3. Day 3, we got a warm up, 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio. Probably just do Stairmaster or whatever cardio of your choice. We got incline dumbbell press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Seated rows, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Lateral raises, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Face pulls, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Push-ups or modified push-ups. I feel like he can do a push-up. I mean, he ain't that out of shape. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. And then we got some skull crushers, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Hammer curls, 3 sets of 10 to 10 reps. All right. Oh, looks like a little typo. Okay, so day 4, I think it was supposed to be day 3. But day 4, lower body variation. We got 10-minute warm-up of your choice, Stairmaster, walking, whatever you want to do. Front squats or goblet squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Got some hip thrusts, pause, no Diddy. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And then we got step ups, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps each leg. And then we got leg extensions. We got 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And then we got seated calf raises, 3 sets of 10. Jesus, man, I cannot read today. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. All right, and then we got core work. We got bicycle crunches or leg raises. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. All right. Then we got abs and cardio. So we got option 1, you got the steady state cardio. I don't know why I just put option 1. There's only one option I have here. But steady state cardio, jogging or cycling, maintain a moderate pace for 30 minutes, perform the following circuit 2 to 3 times, resting 1 minute in between rounds, right? No Diddy. So yeah, we're gonna have Diddy doing a plank for 30 to 60 seconds. And then we're gonna have him doing a bicycle crunches, 15 to 20 reps per side. Leg raises, 12 to 15 reps. Russian twist, 15 per side. Use a weight if available. We're gonna have them doing mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are really good, especially for the lower abs. Then we got a side plank, 20 to 30 seconds per side. Let me just move myself out the way. And then we got cool down, 5 to 10 minutes, stretching, focusing on the core, hip flexors, no Diddy, and legs. So we're gonna have them doing a cobra stretch for the abs, seated forward bend, and child's pose. So yeah, that's the workout plan we got for Diddy, because he's most likely be locked up, and he's gonna need a workout plan while he's in the bin. You know what I'm saying? He's got to be able to defend himself in case he accidentally dropped that soap. You know what I'm saying? So you already know what it is. That's the workout plan for Diddy. Diddy, if you're watching this, here's a workout plan I made for you. And yeah, I think that is the end of our little presentation here. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what other celebrity you want me to do, make a fitness plan for. Comment down below your thoughts and what you think. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think Diddy deserves to be locked up? Do you think he should be locked up? Let me know down below. Remember, there's nothing enlightening about playing small. Remember to book a one-on-one coaching call to reach your fitness goals for the year of 2024. And remember, there's nothing like, I already said that shit. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.